Y'all asked for it, now we got it. It's another Gel-X dupe. So if you've been watching my videos recently, I have been reviewing a Gel-X dupe from Double Dip, and some of you guys have been asking if other brands sell something similar to see if they're any good. I have something similar from Saviland, and it's actually on Amazon to purchase. So this one is called Saviland Nail Tips and Glue Gel Kit, and I have it right here. So we're gonna get into this in this video. And Saviland also sent me some gel polish to do my nails with along with the kit. I want to thank Saviland for sponsoring this video, and yeah, let's do some nails. Really quickly, let's do our post notification shout out. So these are the first 3 people who commented on my last video, so thank you guys so much for having your post notifications turned on. And if you would like a shout out just like these 3 people here, all you have to do is make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure you have your post notifications turned on. That way you can be notified each and every time I post and possibly be one of the first 3 people to comment, and that way you'll get a shout out. So I'm going to do a set using some of the gel polish that they sent me out of this gel polish set, and of course using this Gel-X dupe kit. So first and foremost, let's do some unboxings. We'll start with this one. Let's go ahead and take everything out. This is all of the tips, and it looks like we have some coffin nail tips. This is how they look, and from the side view it gives you a nice apex. And we got a nail file, 100 and 180 grit. We have a false nail clipper. We have the UV nail lamp. And then we have what they call the glue gel. And of course, it comes with instructions on how to apply everything, even down to the gel polish. But of course, I want to show you guys how to do that in this video. And now for the gel polishes. So of course, both of these kits are sold separately. This kit comes with 30 different color gel polishes, and then the 3 represents top coat, base coats, and you got a matte top coat. So here's all of the different colors that comes in the kit. So we have apricot, lake green, purple, rose pink, orange, bright pink, fuchsia, carrot, red, brown, bright green, fluorescent yellow, bright orange, rosy red, bright red, jewel blue, green, chrome yellow, orange red, blue, white, gray, dark gray, black, shiny blue, shiny red, shiny purple, shiny gold, shiny silver, platinum silver. So all of the polishes are about the same size. Well, not about the same size. They are the same size. They're on the miniature side, about 7 milliliters. But I'm going to go ahead and apply my nails first, and then I'm going to come back and pick out my colors. So the LED nail lamp that comes with it looks like this, similar to the other one that I reviewed. And then it comes with a cord and no wall piece, so you'll need to provide that. And I went on and picked out the correct sizes for my nails with the nail tips. So the nail tip sizes go from 1 to 10. One of the things that I found a little challenging with the last kit is that none of the tips fit my pinky. And I know everybody's nail beds are different, so I really can't complain too much about that, but I'm just super happy that I have a nail that fits my little pinky perfectly, so I don't have to like customize it or anything like that. So that's squared off. I'm gonna remove the shine from my nail first. And then after removing the shine on your nails, you're just gonna push back your cuticles with a cuticle pusher. And my cuticles are already kind of pushed back, so I'm not gonna really do that right now. But we're gonna use this glue gel here. So there's a button, a power button right here. So whenever we're ready, we can turn that on. And I'm gonna take the gel and put just enough on there, and I think that's enough. And then turn this on, and this is my favorite part. I'm pressing it on down. Oh no, I didn't put enough glue. I don't like that. Let me put just a little bit more. It's always tricky knowing how much glue is enough glue or gel or whatever you want to call this. This should be good. I like it to go all the way down, and that's good enough. Oh my goodness. Oh, we got some glue spilling over on the side. Oh, I don't like that, but I'm just gonna go ahead and cure that. I was able to pick off the gel that kind of seeped through on the cuticle before it cured all the way, so happy about that. But let's try this again with the pointer finger. I think that should be enough gel polish. Ooh. Now I like to make sure it's nice and straight, and then go ahead and cure it under the UV lamp. This is how they look, and for the most part they look pretty good. Now if you're doing this at home and you're worried about it being messy or, you know, the gel kind of spilling over in the cuticle area, let me tell you, it's okay. You can always just drill it off and make it look real nice and neat. My thing is like making sure there's no bubbles, because with bubbles comes breakage. They're gonna pop right off with bubbles. So they look good, they look nice. Now we can shape. And this is the false nail cutter that comes within the kit. I'm not gonna cut them too much shorter, maybe about right there. That's pretty good. And I'm just gonna shape it up into a, well, we're gonna keep it in the coffin shape that it's already in. I'm just gonna really straighten out the free edge. And now I'm just gonna take a cuticle bit and really snatch the cuticles up. And then I'm just gonna use a regular buffer to buff out the surface of the nail. And I'm just gonna wash my hands really fast. Now for the nail design, I think I'm gonna go with this color as like a base. And I think I wanna do some daisies on top of this lilac color. I brought out this color gel. It's also by Saviland. You can also find this on Amazon as well. And we're gonna do the daisies with this white gel. I might need 2 coats, but I'm not really sure. Ooh, it's really looking like 1 coat. Oh, this is definitely giving 1 coat. I'm gonna go ahead and cure this. This color is gorgeous. It just screams spring. So I think I want to do like the little daisies on the 2 middle fingers. I have this white color gel from Saviland, and then I'm also going to do the center of the daisy, this yellow color. This is actually my first time doing daisies, so let's see how this turns out. So I'm just gonna take my dotting tool, honestly, and we're just gonna do like dots kind of in a circle. I want to do it in this corner, and then I'm gonna take my detailed liner and just drag them in the middle to make petals. And then I went on and cured that. Now I'm gonna take this yellowish color and we're gonna put it right there in the middle. And then cure that. I like it. Now I'm gonna do just the same thing on this finger and then maybe a couple more. I'm gonna really try to like just round it out so the petal can be full. And I want to do another one in this corner up here. It's really this one that's lacking. Let me just like take that off with some acetone and let's try that one more time. Let's try it again. That looks much better. This goes to show you that it doesn't have to look perfect, because watch, I'm about to put this yellow dot in the middle and it's really going to set it off. All right, put the yellow dot in the middle and look how that all comes. Oh no, the yellow dot is messy. There we go. I had to clean it up a little bit. Now we got the yellow dot. overall, I really like this kit. It's very similar to the other Amazon kit that I did review a couple weeks ago. The difference is this kit came with a few more items than the other kit did. This kit came with a nail file and a false nail cutter. And for me personally, I do like the way that these cover tips fit my nail beds better than the other one, but that's just a personal opinion since everybody has different size nail beds. But I had these on for about, I want to say 3-4 days now, and yeah, they're very durable. You can hear me clicking them on the table right now. Now, for the gel polish kit, I have to say you can only use 1 coat with these gel polishes. Now, for lighter colors, I did have to use 2 coats when I was doing the swatches, but for the darker colors, 1 coat will do it. Like this blue right here, only 1 coat that did it for me. I will include the link for both of these kits down in the description down below. I want to give a big thank you to Saviland for sponsoring this video, and thank you to everybody that watched this video this far. For next week's video, I will be getting back into the expensive nail kit series, so stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.